Salmangarh! Rashtriya Salute! Salame! Chak! Salmangarh! Bagan! Chak!
My government is conscious about Mhadei, an issue which affects every Goan. Mhadei water dispute between Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa is about sharing water of interstate river Mhadei. Efforts of my government is to prevent water diversion outside the river basin. The tribunal, which was appointed in November 2010, gave its award on 14/8/2018. Goa requested for a clarification from the tribunal. US 53 of the ISU Act 1956. Goa has also filed a SLP in Supreme Court, praying for review of the tribunal award besides filing necessary contempt proceedings before the Honorable Supreme Court. Goa is a front runner in respect of zero hunger, quality education, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, sustainable cities and communities. You are all well aware that in spite of mining ban, global economic slowdown and revenue resource reduction in the state, the gross state domestic product estimates of Goa have registered a growth rate of 11.8% for the year 2017-18 provisional, and expected to achieve a growth rate of about 9.8% during 2018-19 with a per capita income of rupees 5 lakh, which is highest in the country.